What is up, Lowheat sneakerheads? Just got a pair of Lowheat in today. And this is a big one. Not because necessarily what's in the box, but this is my very first sneaker draw win ever. I've been trying to cop stuff off sneakers since 2017, and I've signed up for hundreds of draws at this point. And I have never, ever hit on a draw. Ever. Until the other day. When I hit on these. Now, not the biggest, not the highest of heat. But I'm not going to be salty because I have been up until this point. I mean, I'm still a little salty about my win percentage. But I can't, be greedy. I did get a W finally. So even though this is some low heat, I'm very stoked that for once, finally, it happened. And you see Nike going back to the old boxes. I've gotten a few where there's no tape. A little bit more eco-friendly stuff. But this one has the security tape, so interesting. I wonder what the difference is, why some boxes come like this, others don't. So that was a huge win. I check out my last video about the other win I had, manual on the Ama Maniere Jordan 3s. Copped those. First come, first serve retail. Got to check out, and it was sold out, went back, quick requeued with another size, and got through immediately. So I've had a couple big wins recently. And last night, I found out I hit on a pair of SB Dunks, the Stingwater Mushroom Dunks. So check out for that. Subscribe, hit your notifications, because I'll have that unboxing. I'm picking it up today. That unboxing is coming very shortly. It'll be up tonight or tomorrow. So anyways, thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing. Today we have the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, and they're calling this Black and Fresh Mint Light Army Noir. That's the colorway, but more simply known as the Patinas. Woo! Sheesh! Look at these. So these are kind of being dubbed the Patinas due to this color. And this is similar to, you'd see a patina on metal, brass, or copper, the oxidation color on those type of metals. So you got this kind of copper rust finish with the greenish mint green that happens when a copper oxidizes. These laces, mint green laces. It comes pre-laced with black laces. But I think the go-to lace swap will be happening right away. So I love, obviously I like hitting on high heat. Who doesn't? But I really love hitting on low heat that I like, that, people want, but I'm willing to wear these right away. These aren't going to get super dirty easily or worn. Like, look at this leather. It's already kind of tumbled, pre-wrinkled. I'm going to wear these. They're not light color shoes. They're not going to pick up as much dirt. So I'm stoked when I get low heat that I want to wear, I'm going to wear, and have no qualms about wearing them. So these are going to go straight to feet. I'm not going to sell these. There's not much resale value in these. That's the other problem. Sometimes you get hit on stuff, high heat, that has resale value, and you're thinking, man, should I sell this? Like, not a ton of resale value on these. So I am going to keep these. I have been parting with Jordan 1s left and right over the last year, and they used to be my favorite shoe. They still are, but I've just been parting with a bunch of them just because, to make room, buy other shoes, etc. And so I've finally started regretting some of my selling of Jordan 1. So I'm happy to get a new pair in that I'm not going to sell, that I'm going to rock. These, similarly to these Nike Air Jordan 1 SBs, Paris to New York, these, same thing. I even got these on sale. Before the big sneaker boom, these were sitting on some shelves. I got these on sale, I think, from Finish Line. These also, no qualms about wearing these, can beat them up. They're literally meant to be worn because they have the fadeaway outer layer of paint. So same with these. I'm stoked. Now, a couple details we already pointed out. I'm digging the lace swap. I'm going to do that. I do that with a lot of shoes where the laces match the overall color. If they come with another set, I like putting the other set in for a better pop of color. So I'm a big fan of lace swapping if they provide extra laces, if it kind of mixes up the color vibe on the shoe. Now this is they've been starting to do this. I wonder if anyone knows, this is just kind of the deconstructed vibe Nike's in and Jordan's in right now. But they did this square stitch patch with the biohacks. I'm trying to think if anyone knows any other Jordans that they did this square big stitch patch with. Let me know in the comments. But this is the second time I remember they did it with the biohacks. Check out, I did an unboxing video of the biohacks. I didn't love those. Even though I like bright colors, for me they were just a little too Foot Locker, a little too kiddish. So I sold those. Gonna keep these. I'm kind of partial to the classic Nike Air. I mean, this isn't bad, but if I'm gonna critique these, I almost prefer the classic Nike Air tag. But yeah, definitely throwing these on right away. I like them. You got the Nike Air in mint in the inside, and again, really stoked because I got these on the sneakers draw. An amazing sneaker draw win. The lady hit on a sneaker draw recently for the Travis Scott's 6s, so tune in. I'll be unboxing those soon. And so we've had some draw luck recently. My friend got the UNC Jordan 4s on a draw, so maybe they're actually tweaking some things. Maybe there's hope. Maybe there's hope. So let me know in the comments if you guys have hit on any sneakers draws. What were your wins? What's your batting percentage on sneaker draws? I am literally one now for, I'm on the board, but one for like 250. So, yeah, please subscribe, like, and I'm going to be coming out with some more videos very soon. So check in on the channel.